Congratulations once again to the Capital One Solar Spikers taking another huge win. This time in straight sets against the Signal Super Spikers. So our best player of the game is of course Bella Belen with a double-double of 11 points and 14 excellent digs. So before anything else, Bella, habang fresh pa from this match, kwento mo naman sa amin kung paano kayo naging compose, lalong-lalo na sa mga dulo ng sets.
Before pa lang kasi like sa training pa lang, talagang pinagandaan namin yung game na to kasi alam namin na hindi magiging madali. And alam naman namin yung kakayanan ng team namin. And siguro nag-trust lang kami sa sistema na binigay ni Coach Jorge kung ano yung dapat namin gawin this game. And ayun, talagang tinrabaho ng bawat isa sa amin yung game na to.
And of course, nagtrabaho ka din because before this game, nagkukwento tayo, sabi mo na you were writing on a journal every night para mag-assess, diba, sa performance mo. You manifested more digs, more efficient attacks, and that's what you got in today's match. Yung dig mo na yon, it sealed the deal for Capital One. How does this feel for you, Bella? At ano ang isusulat mo sa journal tonight?
Ako, I'm not very happy po sa performance ko kasi parang I think kaya ko pa sana siyang ma-improve. Pero syempre, I'm very happy kasi naipanalo po namin yung game and talagang nagtulungan yung bawat isa sa amin. Hindi lang isa or dalawa yung nagtrabaho, kundi talagang lahat. Ginawa nila yung best nila para manalo.
Bella, take this time to greet your family, friends, and fans of Capital One. Go ahead, it's your time to shine.
To all the people po here, thank you po for supporting the Capital One. And to my family, thank you po for always supporting me and yung Capital One. And sana po manood po kayo next games namin.
And you just heard from the ray of sunshine of Capital One, Bella Belen. Back to you, 7AL.